Building Wealth, The Path to Financial Freedom. Chapter 1 Video Number 3. Dollars and Degrees, Engaging College Students in Money Talk. Financial literacy is an important remedy for the lack of awareness and insecurity that young people experience after high school and college. A detailed understanding of finance provides a comprehensive understanding of the global economic landscape and enables people to navigate it effectively. Unfortunately, many young students shy away from talking about money because it is associated with debt. In college, discussions of money revolve around expenses, student loans, credit cards, and utility bills. However, there is still a significant gap in students studying fundamental subjects such as budgeting, emergency saving, and investing, largely due to a lack of financial literacy. Currently, only 10 US states require financial literacy courses in secondary schools, and no university requires such courses for graduation. Most students do not know if their college offers financial literacy programs. Whether in high school or college, students' primary focus is often learning subjects they can't take, preparing for exams, and striving for good grades. Wouldn't it make sense for schools to offer basic personal finance lessons, like managing a savings account or managing discretionary spending? It seems like an ideal scenario, but unfortunately, without early financial knowledge, people are more likely to make uninformed financial decisions and be unaware of their long-term consequences. Debt is becoming an everyday reality for many, throwing them into a vicious circle of trying to make ends meet. The thirst for financial knowledge begins at an early age. A recent study found that 8 out of 10 college students fear potential financial failure as it could lead to food insecurity or even force them to drop out of school altogether. This feeling of financial helplessness can persist at different stages of life.